Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a shovel. What do you think this is? Let's check it out. Let's see. How do we open it here? Looks like it's going to be a very narrow shovel. Oh, there's the plastic for it. And here it is. Let's see if there's anything. Nope, nothing else in the box. So you get this. This is the shovel here. And it looks like we can extend it there. So it comes to be a short or long shovel. And nice and solid here. It's not ridiculously sharp, so it'd be good for like gardening and stuff like that. And it's kind of nice. It has the little measurements on here, so you can do 1 inch through 4 inches. Let me actually make it shorter so I can show you guys. So there. And so if I'm digging on the ground and I'm just down close, I can use it that way. And if I wanted to stand up, I can use it this way. Got a little hook on the end of it. It's really nice and solid. I mean, for a little gardening shovel, I'm going to say this is probably good. It's riveted on there, so it's going to be on there for good, not going anywhere. And it's easy to extend. You just rotate and turn. I mean, maybe when it's full of dirt and stuff, it might be a little bit difficult, but I don't know. It seems good to me. But I like this little shovel. Very cute. Very good. Thumbs up. Very nice.